Now, you already know we're about saving coins over here, and someone sent me a bag that may be the perfect alternative to the Bottega Veneta Mini Jodie. So, if you want to unbox it with me, just keep watching. Hey, Andrea, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling our best for less. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever I upload new videos. But before we get into this unboxing, I just wanted to remind you that my free ebook is now available. It's called 5 Tips of Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. It's a quick, simple read just designed to help you shop with confidence, save money, and avoid getting scammed. So if you haven't downloaded it already, it is pinned in the comments. It's also in my bio and in the description of this video. So let's get into it. So guys, a company by the name of Evalulu reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and asked me if they could send me something to unbox and share with you guys on my channel. So I agreed to do it. So I have not actually taken a look at the bag. I did open up the packaging just because I wanted to just take a peek to see how it was packaged on the inside, but I have not unwrapped anything. So this is going to be a real, true, and honest unboxing. So the bag, like I've mentioned, that they sent me is a dupe for the Bottega Veneta Mini Jodie. Now, there are quite a few dupes on Amazon for this bag, but all of the dupes that I considered good dupes are no longer available. When this bag was like the it bag a couple of years ago, Amazon did have quite a few leather dupes, like high quality dupes on their site, but I haven't been able to find any of those. So I just thought it was, just amazing that a brand actually reached out to me and offered to send me one. So this is what the dust bag is. So it will come in a dust bag, and it's not a branded dust bag at all, but it's pretty good quality. It does have a drawstring, and they actually offer this bag in a variety of colors. It's about at least 10 colors that they offer, because I did go to the website, but they only had 5 or 6 colors that were available for them to ship out to me immediately. So they are not located in the United States, but they do have warehouses here, and they gave me an option of the colors that were available to ship immediately. And so I went with the apricot. Wow. Wow. Definitely smells and feels like leather. So this here it is in apricot, guys. As you can see, it does have the Evalulu tag on it. I'm just checking it out, just getting a good look at it. Now, the hardware is not noticeable, but it is gold hardware. I'm going to cut this. I don't want to cut this off just yet, but I want you guys to get a good look at this zipper pull. This zipper is gorgeous. It looks just like the Bottega zipper. Look at that. So let's get on the inside of this bag. Take out the stuffing. OMG. So guys, just like the Bottega, this bag is leather lined. So this is leather inside and out. I was really skeptical about doing a blind unboxing for something that was sent to me for free by a brand, something of this magnitude, because first of all, I don't want to be on here just trying to sell y'all stuff. That's not what we do over here. But the other thing is, I don't want to be recommending something that I don't like. Like, I'm not going to recommend something to you guys that I wouldn't carry or I don't like. And I agreed to do this video because they sent me this bag. But being honest, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, and I was gonna be honest, because I agreed to do the video, I was gonna do the video. But if I thought the bag was garbage, I was definitely gonna tell y'all that it was garbage. But this, OMG, this is really nice. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really excited about this. And I'm gonna tell you why I wasn't excited. I wasn't excited about it because of the color selections that they offer for immediate shipping. Um, I wanted something pink, but I'm actually glad that I went with the apricot because this looks so luxe and expensive. Like, look at this bag, guys. So let me just show y'all what the inside looks like. The inside is also leather. I don't know if you're going to be able to get in here real good, but the inside of this bag is completely leather lined. It doesn't have any like compartments or anything. Like, it's set up just like the Bottega bag. It's just, one hole. But this is a nice size bag. Like, it's big enough for you to fit your essentials in, but small enough to wear it like on a date night or evening out. So I just think this is perfect. Oh, they do offer this bag in the larger sizes if you like the Jodie and want it like more of a shoulder or hobo style bag. I do think that they have this in the larger sizes, but they offer this bag in a variety of colors on their website. So let me just go on here real quick and tell you guys what they offer. They offer this bag in black, gold, yellow, um, deep green, green, light green, lake green, white, apricot, which is what I got, brown, tan, ice blue, pico blue, pink, rose pink, peach pink, orange, yellow, white with a heart, and a lotus pink. So guys, this bag is gorgeous. So let me just give you guys the dimensions on this bag. It's 28 by 8 by 23. The materials are genuine leather and then lambskin leather lining. So let me go to the Bottega website. So the mini Jodie, let's see, same dimensions, 28, 8, 23. Lamb skin and cow skin. So the lining is cow skin and the material is lamb skin. So it looks like Bottega did a flip, or Evalulu did a flip. So Evalulu's interior is lamb skin, but the exterior is cow skin. Bottega's exterior is cow skin, and the Bottega's exterior is lambskin and the interior is cow skin. So I think I would actually prefer the way that Evalulu did it. Of course, cow skin is not as expensive as lamb skin, but it's also not as prone to damage and scratching. It's not as delicate. So I think this bag would actually probably hold up better than the Bottega Veneta because they put the more durable leather on the outside and put the more delicate, expensive leather on the inside. Now, that does mean that this more delicate leather on the inside is probably going to get damaged with you putting stuff in it, but nobody sees the inside of the bag. So I think this is a really, really nice bag. Now, let's talk about price. So the Bottega Mini Jodie is $2,800. And it also comes in a wide variety of colors right now. It's available in chalk, caramel, travertine, which looks almost like an army green color, porridge, which is like a bone or beige, parakeet, which is a really nice green, praline, which to me looks like the apricot, almond, fondant, which looks like a deep burgundy, almost very pretty color. Then they've got black, and then bliss washed, which is like a light pink. So they do offer a variety of colors as well. And again, like I said, their bag is $2,800. But if we go to Evalulu, their bag is $115. So you can get 20 of these for the price of one Bottega Veneta. So here we go, guys. This is Evalulu's dupe for the Bottega Veneta Mini Jodie. What do you guys think? Do you think that this is a suitable dupe for the Bottega? If you like it, I will go ahead and link it in the description and in the comments. And if you use the code, and if you use a code 410 when you click on my link, you'll get 10% off whatever you buy. One thing I forgot to do, which is really important on any handbag, but especially when we're purchasing lower price alternative to our luxury favorites, is the zipper test. So let's see what this zipper is doing on this bag. Now, keep in mind the way that the bag is structured, the zipper is probably not going to be super smooth anyway, but let's just see what it does. See how smooth that zipper is? That was going to be really important to me, and it was going to be the determining factor on how much I carry this bag. The zipper has to be smooth. So guys, this bag right here, in my opinion, is well worth the $115. It's probably worth double or triple that, and the zipper is smooth. So we are not compromising quality at all when we save a few bucks. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And don't forget, if you're going to buy it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Talk to you later.